There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. What I'm planning on doing is basically, no, I'm not cleaning the bench. Just one of those days where I don't feel like doing much. Weather's kind of shitty, so I probably will clean a few things off the bench I don't need. But for the most part, I am going to remove the switch on here, which is in dire need of replacement. Thankfully, this little Wolfie grinder here has a little handle on top. It's actually a pretty cool grinder. I'm gonna get some more. What do you call it? The hell was I gonna say? I'm gonna get a couple of new discs for it. I also probably should change the cord or the end of it, because look, that's beautiful. That's like a, you know, garage accident waiting to happen. Is there a shadow here? Yeah, there's some kind of shadow going on here. But let me see this. Oh look, shadow's gone. Now I can see what the hell I'm doing. Maybe I'll give you the distorted version of me. Yeah, I put a backing plate on this in a previous video, but I didn't tighten it up too much because I want to put, excuse me, bought a bunch of, is it recording? Yeah. Bought a bunch of switches for the Wolf grinder. And no, I'm not putting the waterproof switch on it. I'm not putting the little switch condom on it. Take this off there. I'm going to install this in there like that. I might have to round the hole out, who knows. But I'll take it apart. Maybe a flat screwdriver. Like, who the hell uses fucking flat screwdrivers these days? I'm not going to restore the damn thing anytime soon, because ain't nobody got time for that. But I probably should put the camera above here so you can see what the hell I'm doing. I'm going to try to rig that up so you can see. Thinking of getting another camera mount, so hold your horses and I'll fix this camera. I was going to try the top-down approach, but instead I'm just going to do the, what do you call it, sideways bonanza here approach. And I should have brought my little, what do you call it, I bought a Milwaukee electric screwdriver. I should have brought that, because it would probably get right in the way and you won't just see what the hell I'm doing. But I'm gonna strip this whole thing down eventually and take it all apart and give it a nice little once over. I'm not gonna do a perfect job. I'll probably just see if the bearing, I'll run it, see if I hear any crunching in the bearings, take the bearings out and maybe put some new bearings in it. But I gotta watch this damn capacitor. Looks like it's fucking dangerous. I probably should just take the goddamn thing off here. I don't know, there's all kinds of wires. So anyway, yeah, this is where I get zapped from the fucking capacitor. There we go, take that one off here. You can probably see what I'm doing. Just, come on. There's one screw. There's also some very, very tiny screws on here. There's like two little eeny weeny screws that need to come out. Maybe we get a really tiny screwdriver. Hold on. Hey, it's me again. I got the little tiny, little baby snap-on. Oh yeah. Anyway, when you what is that word there? And you blokes in England watching, yeah, this grinder was made in England, I think, before they sold it out to India. But apparently they're pretty good, the old ones. Yeah, I said the word bloke. But who knows? You can be really cool and still be a bloke, I guess. I don't know. What the fuck do I know, right? Anyway, here's the shit. Now let's play with some fire here. See, first I gotta check to see if these wires are so old. I probably should put new wires in this whole thing, but what's that old saying? Ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm gonna see how this looks on top here first. Take the switch jam it inside and then see how it looks. I want to see if I need any frick. Okay. I'm going to see if this will fit in there first. Oh, there we go, see? Yeah. Not a problem. It'll look beautiful. Maybe not fucking beautiful, but you know what I mean. So yeah, it'll be fine. Now, that's in the off position. Which one is which? I'm guessing on, off. Yeah. Let's try this out now. I will probably have to edit this whole damn thing out because, you know, there's not much exciting going on here right now. Kind of what? 2-minute video of me yakking. Alright, there we go. Put this one on this side, I guess. The funny part is you know what's going to happen? I'm going to get the whole damn thing backwards. This never fails. You're playing electricity. I don't know which direction's on or off on here, so. Come on. Come on, you little piece of shit. Pretty sure somebody's going to give me a tip on how to kill myself online long after I do this. Somebody's going to probably give me a really useful tip on how to do this easier. And it usually, these tips usually come like light years after you're done. Like, oh yeah, why didn't I realize that? Because when you're doing it, you have no idea. You're just like in the moment getting it done. So, where the hell did that go? Fuck. I do not want to be fucking shorting this motherfucker out. Okay, there's that and that. Take this one, put it in that one. Why do I feel like this thing's gonna have to... Oh, come on, get rid of the hole. Come on. Futter bucket. Yep. Lots of quiet time. You know what that means? Quiet time means lots of editing. Fuck. Come on, get in there. Get in there. What the fuck, man? There we go. Ow, fuck. Got my finger stuck in there. Yeah, there'll be like human skin stuck in here, thanks to me. Okay, now let's go like this. Test this thing out here. Let's see. That can go on there. This can go up in there. This can go in there. Like so. This will go over there like that. Worst case scenario, we'll just spin it around. Yep. All is well in paradise here. Put that in there. Put that one in there. Yep. This one on like so. I suppose I probably need to put another screw in there. What do we got? 6 minutes. Yeah, when I do these videos, I tend to like to chop them up a little because trying to upload tons of shit is just not very conducive to me doing stuff. I don't really like uploading tons and tons of. I don't like making one giant video. Alright, I'm gonna hit pause for a second here. One of my favorite things is you go get a crescent wrench, figure use a small one, and then you come back and it's the wrong goddamn size. I have a whole bunch of crescent wrenches, which is funny because I bought a set of Craftsman ones, and it's almost like hilarious because they're all different size wrenches, but here's the kicker: the wrenches are all like the handles are all different sizes. But the funny part is oh man, this is not cooperating. Wait, I'll tell you the story in a second here. Fudder mucker, man. This foobar here. I want it nice and tight. I don't want the goddamn thing to move. No. Anyway, I got 3 wrenches, crescent wrenches, or whatever, adjustable wrenches, we call it. And they're all different sizes, and they all open to the same size. Like, what the hell's the point of that? Right? It's fucking stupid. Alrighty now, let's unplug this phone block here. We'll plug the grinder in. Let's see. Sweet. Well, hallelujah. Works. Sounds like a cop car. Or someone's bad vibrator, but shit works. Hold on a second, I'll turn it off and I'll start it up and use it. Gotta put the back cover on. And we'll see how this thing goes. This thing's been around for a while. There's not much information out there on the internet about these things. They still make them in India. Apparently the guys in India don't want to talk to me because I guess, you know, it's in India and I don't know what the hell. Send emails and shit. It seems like nobody responds because in India they still make the holder for it. So yeah, I'll give it a test in a minute. Anyway, folks, this is the old switch. It has 2 little screws on it, you can see. It's got a little side thingamabobber there. I wish I could still get parts for this because I like the old style switch, little plastic thing. Maybe my next project would be to carefully take this apart and figure out what's wrong with it inside, put it back together. But anyway, here's the grinder. Yeah, the end of the cord needs to be changed. Obviously, it's been changed a few times. It's got a little problem in there, but for the most part, this thing works now. It's pretty good. Pretty well balanced. I don't know if that noise is the bearing, but I don't hear any grinding. It's just... The thing I like about these thing I like about these old bad boys is if you look at, see the grinder over there in front? This one right here, see the sides? They're made of sheet metal. If you look at this one, this is all like cast. It's about a, I don't know, 1/8 thick maybe. Some places thicker. They made a nice thick box. Even my Baldo over there is made fucking better than that piece of shit over there. And my other Baldor red one's mini one there is made pretty tough. So I mean, I'm pretty sure this old cow that's here will probably need some bearings eventually. But look, it's got a brand spanking new switch. Ta-da! Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Next video will probably be me tearing this thing down, stripping it completely bare, and doing a really nice paint job on it, because there is one video online that does that, but they don't really take it apart. Like, I've seen some pretty shady restorations online. I mean, half of them are coming out of some country. They look like they don't even know what the hell they're doing.